Storytelling. Storytelling is really easy once you realise on camera that you're talking to a friend. You are not shouting out to the world, you're talking to that one person and you're telling the story the same way you would if you were having a cup of coffee. You're sharing a story about what's really happened with you because the camera will pick up an untruth. The camera will see through and show up any lies. So you tell a true story and you talk in a manner that you would over a cup of coffee. You are not shouting your story to the world. You are talking to the one person, you're sharing that cake and you're enjoying it. A good story, for instance, is behind me, there's a picture. That picture I got for my husband because I wanted him to have a memory of someone that was dear to him. It was actually the view that we used to walk up, or the hill we used to walk up when we first started dating. And behind that is a story that I wanted him to always see. Now, weirdly, it's in my office and not on the landing where it used to be, but it's still a story. And that is what makes something resonate. For me, I wanted a memory for him that was always accessible and would always remind him of the day or the walks that we used to do when we first started dating, before we became parents. So again, I'm sharing a story. I'm not shouting it down the lens. I'm talking to you in the way that I would if we were sharing a cup of coffee up at a local coffee shop. So the next time you go on camera, talk to the camera, talk to your friend and tell a story.